Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Young Minds. The 20th question in motion in a plane lesson is: a body is projected with a velocity 10 meter per second at an angle of 60 degree with the vertical direction. Its speed at the highest point of the trajectory will be. Okay. To see, this question may be done based on graph. Okay, it is very easy to understand. To see, this is xy plane. Okay. A ball is projected with a velocity 10 meter per second at an angle 60 degree with the vertical direction. That means I would like to project a body, okay, with certain initial velocity. You make an angle say called 60 with respect to the vertical direction. Okay. So what happens? The body is moving against the gravity. Its velocity gradually decreases and becomes zero at a particular point. That point is called highest point. From that point, after crossing that highest point, it starts its return journey. Okay, and returns to the ground. Okay. In a particular path, it may be shown as projectile. Okay, that is learned in your earlier studies, no problem. Okay, so what is asking, what is the velocity at this highest point? Actually the body is moving against the gravity, so its velocities keep on decreasing and becomes zero at of its maximum height. So at of its maximum height, the body doesn't have any velocity. Okay, but it is a two-dimensional motion, so velocity is a vector quantity. It may resolve into two components, isn't it? One is along the horizontal, one is along the vertical. At the highest point, the final velocity equal to what? In vertical direction, Vy is equal to 0. Okay, but at this highest point, the body having same initial velocity of component. That means at that highest point, V is equal to what? U cos theta. Here to see, this is the angle made by the projectile with respect to y-axis. But you can observe in projectile motion, the angle made by the projected body with respect to the horizontal is nothing but what I say, 30 degrees. Okay, so now you can see this is the required solution for this question. Okay, a ball is projected with a velocity, what is that? Given projected initial velocity, what is that? 10 meter per second. What is the angle made with respect to the horizontal you should take? That means theta is equal to what? 90 minus 60 is equal to what? 30. This is the angle made by the projectile but with respect to the horizontal, remember. Okay, so along this horizontal, what is the velocity? U cos theta. Along the vertical, what is that? U sin theta. Okay, so theta is equal to what? 30 degrees. So its speed at the highest point, trajectory at the highest point of the trajectory. So V is equal to what? U cos theta. U is equal to what? 10 into cos 30. Then 10 into cos 30 is equal to what? Root 3 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja is equal to what? 5 root 3 meter per second. This is the magnitude of velocity. It is called speed at the highest point. Okay, right. Thank you very much.